Hi, it's Steph here from the Bead Shop in Nottingham. I'm just going to very quickly show you how to create this brilliant spiral stitch effect with twisted bugle beads and size 11 seed beads. So I've got a long length of thread and I'm going to pick up 5 size 11 seed beads, and you'll see when I put these alongside my bugle beads that they measure pretty much exactly the same length. So I'm going to pick up a bugle bead there and then, leaving myself a tail to attach my clasp later, I'm going to thread through just the seed beads again towards my new bugle bead and away from the tail. And those beads are going to sit alongside the bugle bead. So that is the setup part of spiral stitch. So I'm going to flip that bugle bead to the left, and then I'm going to pick up one new seed bead and one new bugle bead. Let those slide all the way down. Then I'm going to miss the first bead and go up through the 4 from the beginning and then my new seed bead. Pull that through so the next bugle bead is aligned with the last set of 5 seed beads. Then flip that to the left and keep repeating. You can flip to the left or the right as long as you keep it the same every time, and then you just keep repeating. 1 seed bead, 1 bugle bead, and then you can go up 4 straight away. And then as these beads pull up, go through that last single bead, so that you've gone through the 5 there. And you can already see how that spiral is going to work. So it's just stepping up 1 bead each time, and then you just keep going. So 1 seed bead, 1 bugle bead, up the last 4, and then through that remaining 1. And then you keep repeating until your beadwork is long enough to go around your wrist. I have simply stitched a small toggle clasp onto the ends there and woven my ends in to make it secure. You can use whatever type of clasp you like, but it's a really simple and effective technique and a great one for beginner bead weavers. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them below and we'll happily answer them. Happy beading, everyone.